is ERi-TV, dear viewers, coming to you live from the headquarters in the capital, Asmara. Your reporter for today is Miber Sabat, starting with the major headlines for today. World Environment Day observed at national level. Hagas Agricultural and Technical School graduates students. Trump and Putin held a phone call conversation. And the German cabinet approves a $52 million corporate tax relief package. And your local reports. World Environment Day, 5 June, was observed at the national level at the Central Region Administration Hall under the theme Ending Plastic Pollution. The occasion was attended by senior government and PFDG officials, as well as representatives of UN offices in Eritrea and other invited guests. Speaking at the event, Mr. Tesfaye Ghebreslassie, Minister of Land, Water and Environment, stated that plastic pollution has reached uncontrollable levels globally and emphasized that addressing the issue requires collective action. Minister Tesfaye noted that unintended waste, especially plastic, has severe health consequences. He called for proper waste management, support for enterprises engaged in waste processing, and the implementation of long-term practical measures to improve waste management. Mr. Fasahaye Haile, Governor of the Central Region, stated that raising public awareness alone is not sufficient and emphasized the need for an integrated effort to ensure a safe environment. Mr. Mulubrahan Gebra Yohannes, head of environment at the Ministry of Land, Water and Environment, presented a research paper on management and consequences of plastic waste. The event also featured a general knowledge competition among secondary school students, and awards were presented to the winners. In other news, Hagas Agricultural and Technical School has graduated 131 students, including 54 female students, in certificate programs. The students received 2 years of both theoretical and practical training. The graduates include 32 in agromechanics, 34 in animal science, 31 in plant science, and 34 in water and soil conservation and irrigation farming. Mr. Malak Brhane, head of the school, stated that the main objective of the institution is to produce skilled human resources, improved agricultural productivity, combat desertification, ensure food security, create employment opportunities, solve potable water shortages in nearby villages, and meet public demands. He urged the graduates to apply their training to further the agricultural development in the country. Mr. Tesfaye Siyum, Director General of Technical and Vocational Training at the Ministry of Education, encouraged the graduates to apply their knowledge practically and become exemplary in their workplace. A representative of the graduates expressed gratitude for the training and affirmed their readiness to contribute to agricultural development in the country. During the event, awards were presented to outstanding students. Hagas Agricultural and Technical School, established in 1999, has so far graduated 3,346 students. In a similar news, a 3-month vocational training program has been provided to 305 students, including 94 female students of the Eritrea College of Business and Social Science. The training aimed to enhance the students' vocational skills alongside their regular academic education. The training covered video camera operation, video editing, graphic design, computer technology, and satellite dish installation. Dr. Stefanos Hailemariam, Dean of the college, stated that the program is part of a broader effort conducted in collaboration with the National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students to nurture competent and visionary youth. Mr. Augusti Otwai, Secretary of the Union Branch at the college, stated that similar vocational training programs have been conducted in the past and will continue in the future. Mr. Meron Abraham, head of the projects at the National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students Branch for Higher Education Institutions and SAWA, encouraged the trainees to apply their acquired skills to improve their livelihoods. According to reports, since 2023, vocational training has been provided to 930 students at the Eritrea College of Business and Social Science. The viewers will be back shortly with their international reports and more. Stay tuned. Welcome back. U.S. President Donald Trump and Russian President Vladimir Putin spoke on the phone yesterday about Ukraine's drone attack on Russian airfields over the weekend and the Iranian nuclear issue. Russian presidential aide Yuri Ushakov said that during the call, Putin informed Trump of the results of the Russia-Ukraine negotiations in Istanbul, as well as Ukraine's attempts to sabotage the negotiations and its attacks on Russian civilian facilities during the negotiations. Trump in his post noted that during the 75 minutes phone call, Putin stated that Russia would respond to Ukraine's attack. Trump stated that the two sides also discussed the Iranian nuclear issue, and he told Putin that Iran cannot have nuclear weapons. And your final report, the German cabinet approved yesterday, June 4, a first tax relief package worth $52.43 billion to support companies and revive its sluggish economy from this year through 2029. The aim is to boost investment with measures like favorable depreciation options for companies to ease their tax burden, including depreciation rates of as much as 30% per year for 3 years. Germany's weak economy could be facing a third consecutive year of contraction for the first time in its post-war history. Reviving the economy is a key task of the new government. U.S. President Donald Trump's tariff policies are expected to hurt Germany's export-oriented economy. Germany's new Chancellor Friedrich Merz would travel to Washington to meet Trump on Thursday to talk about these issues. Now, a quick reminder of the top stories. World Environment Day observed at national level. Hagas Agricultural and Technical School graduates students. Trump and Putin held a phone call conversation. And German cabinet approves a $52 billion corporate tax relief package. Dear viewers, you are watching ERi-TV English news broadcast for this hour. That was it for today. We thank you for watching.